today we've came to see them start planting the sugarcane on the top field, or top field I mean by the temple. They've done one row. They put sugarcane in a slot. Feeding the sugarcane down a slot. And then there's fertiliser that goes in it as well at the same time. Keep on stones and big rocks and very stony, rocky land. So they put sugarcane and fertiliser in at the same time, and they turn around on each headland. So there's no headlands, they just reverse up to the boundary of the field as they're now doing. They finish one row here and they'll now back up to the boundary and then join this row you just finished, this row, and start again like that. So they don't have headlands. Hard way of working, I think. But they're not used to tractors, or they've not seen how other people do it. Just like that. Now it will now go back and start the next row. Okay. And they've got all this to do today. I'm not sure quite how they're going to get in the more browny black soil in the bottom here because it's very wet. They're struggling up on the top here. They're not going to plant that, there's still water in it. So the parents, or the mum said to plant it, so they've got to come and plant it, which is too wet, and even the father said it needs sitting for another 3 or 4 days to dry it out a bit more, but the mum's determined, so she wants it planted, so they're paying them to plant it. Whether or not how much grows will be in the wet bit, because if it gets waterlogged, the sugarcane's not going to grow, obviously. But yeah. Anyway, that's the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And that's how we plant sugarcane in Thailand. Right. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is just a quick video. We're just driving to the village and we've seen this. This is how they used to do, or that's how they still do it, the old planting of sugar cane. So they'll cut it, lay it in the furrow, and then they'll go back and then cover it over again. So that's all they do, just lay the sugar cane in the furrow and then plough the furrow in. And it's, yeah, rather than the way we showed you earlier with the Kubota doing it with a machine. So this is the old way. Just put rows of sugar cane in a furrow and doing that. Right, I just saw this and I thought I'd just add it onto the video. Right, thanks then, bye.